Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Archana, your yoga and wellness trainer and health coach. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about alignments, yoga alignments. Now what is alignment means? Alignment is nothing but the way the specific way we do yoga poses or hold yoga poses. I'm going to share with you 5 tips which you can use it in your yoga practice, to use it as a foundation to go into the pose and come out of the pose gracefully. Okay, so by using alignment, it helps to engage the correct muscle groups, helps to find and get that proper foundation for your pose. Without resisting anything in the pose, you can hold that pose gracefully and comfortably, as the definition of yoga says that yoga is Sthiram Sukham Asana. So when we use it, correct alignment helps to hold that posture comfortably and with ease. And this will also help in reducing and minimizing the injuries in yoga. Okay, so if you are a regular yoga practitioner or yoga teacher, you can use these tips in your classes or in your own practice. Good. So number 1 tip is that before starting any yoga pose, your foundation should be good. What I mean by that foundation is that your connection to the mat, connection to this Mother Earth, connection, feeling of that groundedness should be good. Okay, so for here, let's work on that connection. So here, your feet hip distance apart. Okay, now when you stand in this position, just observe your posture, how you're standing. Okay, and after that, bring all your awareness to your feet and press your feet, the balls of your feet and the soles of your feet completely on the mat. That will help you as you're grounding your feet. That will help you to engage the thighs, your calf muscles, and keeps your posture upright. Okay, so always begin with this foundation, especially in your standing yoga poses. This foundation is very, very good, very, very important. Okay, now second tip is that when we are doing poses, you need to stack the joints. Now what I mean by that, now let's take the example of forward bend. So here, standing forward bend, and most of the people, what they do is that they push their hips back. So your hips are pointing back. Now, when I say the stacking of your joint means your ankle, knee and hips should be stacked on each other. So in that case, you're pushing your hips forward, you're stacking all the joints on each other and bend forward. Okay, that will help you again get more and intense and good stretch and helps you to go deeper into your poses. Now another example of stacking your joints might be your cat and cow position. Okay, so here you need to stack your wrist and shoulder in one line, knee and hips in one line. Okay, and even in your standing posture, like when you stand, your ankle, knee, hips, shoulder and your head all stacking on each other. That gives the firm and good posture. Okay, so try to remember this tip. Number 3 tip is engaging core muscles in a right way. So now if you've been practicing yoga or you're teaching, you know that each and every pose needs to engage or use our core muscles, be it inversion, be it forward bend, back bend, side bending, whichever pose it is, we need to use our core muscles. So try to use your core muscles, try to focus and keep it in mind of your core muscles. So let's see now here in the plank pose, high plank. Okay, so definitely this pose needs to engage your core muscles. So if you don't use your core muscles, you will be dropping your hips down. So your hips will be going down. Okay, now even in the balancing pose, like in Warrior 3, so if you don't use your core muscles, your balance will be wobbly. So if you use and engage and focus your core muscles, you can lift and balance your posture in a better way. So just keep it in mind that every pose needs the focus and engagement of core muscles. So keep this in mind. Now number 4 is the neck. This is again a very important tip and alignment cue we need to tell in the classes as being yoga teacher, or you need to keep it in mind. So a lot of people like, if you observe, like let's say in triangle pose, so this is the pose and we drop the neck down. So instead of, so to think your neck as the extension of your spine, it has to remain in line with your spine. So extend your spine, extend your neck, and from here you are twisting and looking up to your fingers instead of doing this. So always remember, even a lot of standing posture, sitting posture, we are not dropping neck but extending it in like we extend the spine. Okay, now the last tip is use your breath to guide your poses. Now it's a basic principle that whenever we expand, we inhale, whenever we contract, we exhale. So always inhale, like back bend poses, inhale, and when we contract, exhale. Okay, so when we go into and in and out of the poses, use your breath to guide you, because whenever we hold breath and do the poses, it does not help for the proper blood circulation, and you might feel stuck in your breath and in your posture as well. So always remember to use your breathe in and breathe out to go in and out, expansion and contraction of your poses. So these are the 5 basic tips for the alignment. There are many more alignment tips particular to particular poses we might have. So, but use this as a guide for foundation for each and every pose. So hope these tips are helpful, and try to remember it whenever you are doing next time. So look good, feel good, be healthy and happy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.